la kuhlala khona amanzi efish uma ifish ihlaskotela ihlanganisa na John lephakathi mara kahle kahle John bekahleli kwemkhumbi VIP. Let me tell you something, because then John was paying the price of taking the wrong decision. Uma umuntu athatha decision wrong empilweni angeke ukubalekele ukubhadala i-price. You will eventually pay the price. Angikhathali ukuthi namhlanje ngabukeka kuhle njani, but once the move is wrong, the price is there to be paid. You are man of God or not, you are anointed or not, you are called or not, you will pay the price.
Nalikhuphuka liyemini alokuyiwa kama nalikhuphuka liyobonga Davide wasala emuva akayanga nebandla empini ngiko lokwamela ukuthi kuzulazula kwakhe abona umntalo ageza amazambathi kanti libandla lihambile umuka baba uma libandla lapho awuyabona uthixo usala wena uma umngethu yothunywa ngakho umoya wamakhosikazi kuwo
Ndoba mfishane kakhulu angeke ngisadlela isikhathi incebe yaNkulunkulu ikhonzile la nginanayo into lemfishane lebeke uNkulunkulu enhlintweni yami ithi uhambo lomuntu phambi kwabantu anesifungo naNkulunkulu. Hambo lomuntu phambi kwabantu kodwa abangakafungi nalabantu afunge naNkulunkulu. But abe ayabohamba phambi kwabantu. uNkulunkulu beka lokho nje kimi kuleli insuku siqale iseries yethu kwaNdebele ngicontinueisha nayo today, but angivami ukuthi nangibe phambi kwabantu ngicethe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I'll be very brief because it is quoted from the realities of the Bible. Ngoba mfishane kakhulu kunemhlabeleli bazalwane ngifuna ukuthi lethi sukuthi kancane kune order of worship lekufuna si exercise uma sonke sima ngetinyawo ngalo mhlabeleli usilo mhlabeleli angathi noma libandla Nkosi yethu wathi, but I pray ukuthi umoya kaNkulunkulu ube nathi na kuvuka komzimba ekufeni na ubomi obukuna babamandleleni ngicela kuqale wena nenkosikazi yakho nihlale phansi bese niyasibheka sonke bese ngizofunda nani le verse elifushane bazalwane uGenesis chapter 2 ngifunze ngale ndlela verse 18. The Lord God said, 18. Then the Lord God said, it is not good for a man to be alone. I will make a helper who is like him. Ngicela sihlale phansi. Kunezithombe letiningi letakhaka ekingqondweni tebantu uma kushadwa. Letinye athi basithi abantu abashadile uma baqhubeka baphila impilo yasemshadweni. but namhlanje uma ngithi labazalwane abahlale abeme mandleleni ahlale phansi kunesithombe lengifuna singasuki engqondweni yabamandleleni namake mandleleni kuthi ngake ngahlala phansi kulesinye isitulo bonke abantu bebamile kuhleli mina ngedwa ngoba ngangenza sifungo phambi kwaNkulunkulu sokuhamba phambi kwalabantu labe bamile mina nangihleli Angapozana kusinemvisisa yini nayi into lengifuna ukuthi uyi-understand lesitulo lenguhlalisa kuzoqala kunathi sonke kunebantu labahleli phansi noma labe bamile wena lahleli phansi labanemali mara bakhona ukuhlala kulesitulo labanye bafundzile mara bakhona ukuhlala kulesitulo labanye bayayathi imizi netiprofit labanye basebenzisa ama-oil mara bakhona ukuhlala kulesitulo ngoba lesitulo siyakhona ukuthi khethela abantu bokuhlala kuso noma singaze sidwane The second thing that now you understand the man of God about the stool. The stool not just full as in a shape you never be pena. I know what's on the Bandwana, I know what's in the Batali, but I see what's kind of Sabatal Bakolapo, I see what's kind of Sabando Bakolapo, but let's come as a stool, Sam nobody. Now we are told the stool, says Nasanayo in Shaple, over to one of so many stool, why are the lands about to be the nature of God not a stool. Sinamadoda neswashonphambo nabangena ngazishone phansi but abakhona ukuhlala kule stool ngoba akuyiwo ukuthi sihlonipha kangakanani akuyiwo ukuthi account balance yakho ithini but le stool sikaNkulunkulu uyatikhethela abantu abayohlala kuso. Men of God, there's one thing that I know. Accept what pain and Shenda. Nanga Mashala Glestool, Mama Jelen. Never said about the Mashala Glestool, never show about the Mashala. Let's first lay in foot. Let's Unkulungu, no one of Masuku, my God. Everyone Yandons, I will see your door. Let's cut Unkulungu, Kunuma Makama. Ukuluma ubege indota ensimini lena ngokonke but uNkulunkulu wathi akusikusho ukuthi indota ihlala ensimini lena ngokonke kodwa ingenaye come on bazalwane umsizi lithi iBhayibheli nawuqhubeka nalo lesingisi lithi I will make him a perfect helper ngifuna ubambe legama lithi perfect legama lithi perfect alikethi nenkosikazi yakho kuwe alikethi nabamandleleni kuwe litena uNkulunkulu it is a promise by God that there shall be a perfection between the two of you. Lelo kusasa kufika kumathimo noma imperfection bese usola lona eceleni kwakho kuthi ucabanga ukumlahla ngoba akasi perfect umlahla into bekangakakuthembisi yona uyithenjiswa lizulu kuthi into okwenzela lo perfect hayi wena kunebantu abasasabanga nomoya ukuthi bafuna ukuchithisa lapha esihlalweni saNkulunkulu bese bakhala nama-imperfection kanti azange ngakho nginifika kahle nanifunga le maphandle nithelile nohlukaniswa kufa hayi kuba perfect to each other but uma abantu sebathola sebahlukene bababa ukuthi nomunye akasikho perfect why bangayikile ndoda leyo ibathembise perfection ayokuthi ayona ukuthi inkosi ngwana ukuthi kungena the perfect one why lo ushota lokho bese inkosi yaphendula mara wena ufuna ukuthi thathela siqumo ugcina abuse ngoba kunetindo nanganatho letifunayo kanti ufuna ukucela uNkulunkulu perfection ayisiyethu it's not in our nature umuntu akakho perfect but the perfection iNkulunkulu nathi idinga abantu abahlelekile esitulo babe nebudlelwano nale ndoda lephethe perfection yo bamadlelene mama dlelene labanye bashadi laba khona la awudzingi ukuthi indoda yakho ize ibe perfect kuwe. Awudingi ukuthi umfati wakho aze abe perfect kuwe. Angeke ahlala ngabi nemaphutha. But susa lengqondo ukuthi nawuhleli kule studio. Kunale into lencane lengiyifunza ngaJona. Lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu ngena uthuma Jona eNiniva. Jona nakafike elwandle uthola imikhumbi emihle eminingi fonini. Kuyenzeka ukuthi ngendlela imikhumbi emihle ngakhona ucabanga ukuthi ngeke into kufikisa la ufuna khona wena. But ngiyakutshela gibela utorealize the moment you move ukuthi this is lost. Lokho nekukuthuse ngalendlela kokuhle ngakhona but akuyilawo ufuna kuyakhona. Come on church. Lethathi ucabanga ukuthi ungumtshintsha uthuswa yini oyibona ngathi yalawo yakhona yikhona. Faka indandatho wena ngokukhomba bona ukuthi akayi lapho ucabanga ukuthi yakhona. Lethathi uNkulunkulu akuhlalisa lapho lesula ingqondo yakho. Ithi nawubukela ama imperfections alo loya ngathi bekangabaraha. Come on masalana. Usuhluka